All right, so here's the plan for the rest of the year. I'm covering what I'll be trading, the strategies, the process, and the timeframes I'll be using, and why I've made some big changes to make trading work around my life, not the other way around. If you're a trader dealing with time constraints or trying to find your rhythm, this video might give you some insights. I'll walk you through everything and show you what I'm doing to get consistent again. All right, let's get real for a second. This last year has been a complete roller coaster in trading. We just got under 3 months left in 2024. So let's dial in and finish. I had the game plan, but unfortunately, I don't have the luxury of sitting around trading whenever I feel like it anymore. I'm currently working night shifts part-time at a warehouse, 3 to 4 days per week. My start time is the same every shift, but my finish time is always different, and the shifts are scattered throughout the week. Sometimes I'll finish at 10:30 p.m. Other times it could be as early as 1 a.m. in the morning. So essentially, the London session is out of the question. And while I could get to the desk for the New York session, which is kind of what I was doing earlier this year, it's just very inconsistent. So my best option is the Asia session. It's where I can actually show up and build a consistent routine. Now let's talk about the assets and the strategy I'll be trading. So since I'll be trading the Asia session, I've got to focus on assets with decent volume and volatility during that time. This puts Forex out of the question because low volume and volatility equal higher spreads and sometimes slippage, which is not ideal. Instead, I'm trading futures like I just said. I'm not going to go into details on the benefits of trading futures, but there are a lot. But this decision will allow me to trade indices and commodities since that's where the volume will be during the Asia session. I'll be trading primarily gold, ASX 200, and I'll also be keeping my eye on SPX. Now, of course, SPX won't have a lot of volume during the Asia session, but I may be able to position myself into a move and swing it into London or New York session, keeping an eye on it as the day progresses. Here's the strategy I'll be using. I'll be trading the anchored VWAP breaks following the methods taught by Austin Silver and his reworked systems from Brian Shannon's work using the anchored VWAP. Austin has nailed the process with a systematic approach. You can check out more of Austin's strategies and how he uses it over on ASFX TV. I'll put the podcast with Brian Shannon and everything they talk about in the link in the description below. And to add to that, I'll be combining it with volume profile strategies taught by Cam Capital. He's got a solid breakdown on YouTube. You can go check out the description for his videos as well. All the videos and stuff I talk about will be listed in the description box below. Essentially, I'll be looking for price to break above the anchored VWAP, move in the direction I'm anticipating, in this case long, wait for a pullback to the anchored VWAP, then get confirmation by watching and reacting to price. If price can hold above the anchored VWAP and I'm bullish, then I'll set a long position. If price breaks and closes below the anchored VWAP, moves in that direction I'm anticipating, which is short, and holds below on the retest, I'm going to go short. I'll also use volume profiles for extra confluence like I was saying before. The POC, which is point of control, value area high, and value area low, will help define my entries and, more importantly, my exits. The time frame I'll be using is the 1 minute time frame, which gets a lot of heat in the trading world. Some traders state a 1 minute time frame is a waste of time and that you'll never be profitable using it, while others have received massive payouts on it. At the end of the day, it's all about preference. Price is price. Small time frames show more details, while higher time frames give you a bigger perspective. But here's the kicker. If you're trading the 1 minute, it's all about your process. You need clear and defined rules. Don't just go long because the price has touched the anchored VWAP. Wait for a close above the daily VWAP, then wait some more by watching and reacting. Wait for the retest, then you act. This way, you're reacting, not gambling. That's the difference between the trader who makes money using the 1 minute time frame and the trader who loses. The hardest part in all of this, staying consistent. I have the plan, have the goal, now I need to execute. The game changer for me this time, and like I said in my previous video, I have a steady income now. I'm not trading to pay the bills anymore. I'm trading because I love it, because I'm building the life I want on the side. I feel like a massive weight has been lifted off my shoulders now, and I am way more emotionally detached from my trading, and this is the key. Being emotionally detached and not making emotional decisions is what's going to separate me from all the struggle I've had. With this, I'm able to keep my risk low, around 0.25% to 0.5% per trade. I'm setting a maximum daily loss of $500 on $50,000 account. This way, I can stack small wins, reduce the risk of blowing up. If you want to know more about risk and other foundational pillars in trading, go check out my free ebook that covers some valuable lessons and insight into risk. Just click the link in the description and you get access completely free. Now, the funded company of my choice will be, drumroll, you guessed it, Hopstep. Their platform, Hopstep X, is absolutely amazing. It's got built-in journals and stat trackers, which is great for tracking trades and keeping yourself accountable, which is very, very, very important. If you're not journaling, you're missing out big time because you simply don't know what you're doing wrong and how to correct it. Now, here's where things get exciting. I'll be using Edgeful. I haven't tested it out personally yet, but I've done a lot of research and watched the guys over on AceFX TV use it daily to find trade setups and put the odds in their favor. Edgeful gives you the edge by providing data-driven insight with custom trading view indicators so you're never trading blind. It also breaks down everything from price action to volume, shows market trends, highlights the best days to trade. It even gives you solid data that can help you make better trading decisions, not just guesswork. Simply think of it like having a pro trader by your side, guiding you with real statistics, not just a gut feeling you have. You can check out Edgeful with the link in the description if you want more details on it, but that is going to be my little secret weapon I'm going to use to keep me more informed with the decisions I make. So that pretty much wraps up the video. That's the game plan for the rest of the year. I'm excited to see where this goes. If you want to follow my journey, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and let's finish this year strong together. And let me know in the comments if you're in a similar spot with your trading as well. Also, don't miss those links in the description for everything I have mentioned throughout the video. I hope you all enjoyed the video and I'll see you all in the next one.